Okay, this next tutorial is about CSS. So last time I talked about HTML, now I'm going to talk about CSS. So for the file CSS, we have the item class, which have different properties like the fonts family, which has a value of monospace. And yeah, this is the class right here. This class comes from this item, the car item here. And yeah, so you will notice that this font is different from this font, chef font, and that is because the name of this font, it's monospace, the font of the car, and also the font of all those three items. They're all different from the font of the living room. I made it on purpose so that you guys can see the difference. So this comes for the fonts family of monospace. And here H1 has a color of purple. And remember H1, the H1 title is the big title right here. So it receives the color purple. Like if I show you right here, my house in order, H1. Now H3, that's just the subtitle, bedroom, garage, and living room. And they are all H3. So the bedroom, garage, and the living room. And they all have a background screen like you see right here. And they all have a color yellow. So they're all types yellow. Now for the body, of course, it's color orange, the background color. Now you can see there's a difference between the way all of these are reading. Here the point item means that it's a class. It comes from a class item. Now H1, it just means it comes from the key, like open key and close key elements, H1. And also for H3 as well. So, and the body, that's just the whole website. Now the pound ID, the pound picture, is just to just let us know it's an ID. So that's why it's pound right here. And the value of the width, it's 10%. If I just change this value, for example, it will change the size. It should change the size. So it should get really big. If I put it back, save, yeah, it should get small. So that's it for the tutorial of CSS. Later I will talk more about jQuery.